Good morning and welcome back to the White Collar Housewife. Today I am going to show you a little bit about how I normally clean my bathroom and a lot of it how I clean during quarantine. In preparation for this video, it is Sunday and I have not cleaned since Friday because I wanted to make sure that you guys got to see all the wonderful things that happen in our bathroom.
So let's take a look at the bathroom before. This is what we're starting with. Not too bad. Toothbrush out. Everything else looks pretty good. Bathtub empty, and most things are all straight.
So as you can see, I have it pretty easy every day. This is because I've cleared out everything that doesn't need to be in here. We have no candles. We have no bottles of soap and lotion. We have nothing that has a cute phrase on it. This is just the business. You know, this is not a regular cleaning time. It is a time to break out the disinfectants. Normally one can't clean with a bleach solution because it won't cut through grease or soap scum. However, I don't have a lot of soap scum because I do clean my bathroom every single day. And so we are able to just use bleach. Today I'm going to use my mopping container for my bleach rather than a bucket because my bucket had a little accident. And the only thing I require of a bucket is for it to hold its liquids. So no accidents, we are going with the mopping container today.
Working with bleach, it's incredibly important that you know how to dilute it properly. To sanitize, you want to use a half a cup of bleach with a full gallon of water.
If you're worried that your bleach solution isn't strong enough, just remember that professional crime scene cleanup crews that are dealing with horrible body fluids you would hopefully never find in your own bathroom use a 10% bleach solution. So that's 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, I believe that would be. I've actually seen people use straight bleach concentrate fresh from the container. So that is not necessary and it's not safe.
As far as cleaning up, just put away a toothbrush, put away a little bit of toothpaste, and we're good to go. Turning to the other side of the bathroom, just closing some doors, straightening some other stuff, and I am ready to clean.
The extent of wiping down the counters in our house. You can see that my children don't leave a lot of toothbrushes and stuff. Through years of training, they've learned how to take care of that. And even though I think my oldest hates me, she does not leave combs or toothbrushes around.
And because it is a quarantine clean, I make sure to wipe everything down with bleach, including the cabinet fronts, the tops of the doors, and the door handles. I also hit the door handle and the light switches. Hey, I guess I do have some words in my bathroom. This is a sign Great Grandma stole from a Parisian hotel. It says basically, please leave the water closet in the state of cleanliness you wish you had found it in.
I know I'm not wearing gloves right now. It's because I don't like the way they feel and I don't care about my skin, I guess.
As far as the tub's concerned, a quick wipe around the rim and on the chrome, and that's done too. Of course, when cleaning a toilet, we do it from cleanest to dirtiest. I assume the outside of my toilet is the cleanest, but maybe I should do some research on that. So something that I learned when I was a maid, and maybe you know this not being a maid, but oh my goodness, it is gross down here. That's not what I learned being a maid. What I learned being a maid is that most homes' toilets have a drip down the front, a yellow stream that you want to definitely get rid of.
Okay, so that's good for the outside of the toilet. You can take the same cloth, dip it back in your bleach, and do the inside of your toilet, but then after that, I consider the bleach and the rag done.
So using that rag, wipe the seat, wipe under the seat, and wipe as far into the toilet rim as you feel comfortable.
I'm actually going to use the bleach water as what I'm going to scrub the toilet with. So there you go, my bathroom is done. Okay, so this is our master bathroom. It's our other bathroom in the house. And I thought maybe you would want to know how I would clean on a normal day. So this is not a quarantine clean. The first thing I do is I have cut towels into longer strips. They're not the, kind of square that you would normally cut your towel into. Longer strips so that I can fold it over. First thing I do, mirrors. If you have a hard time keeping track of which sides of your towel you've already used, you could write like 1, 2, 3, 4 if you wanted to, and then it might be a little bit easier. You can also color them or make it as fancy as you like.
Flipping the folded towel over, I now do the countertops and inside of my sink. This means I have only dirtied 1/2 of my rag.
So apparently I got a lot of makeup in my sink today. It's bronzer because it exploded. So I am going to hold my towel right here and get this dirty side wet. So now if I need to scrub in here, I can do that. I have a nice wet one. Everything's good. Okay, so I have my cloth. It's wet on this side, totally clean on this side. We're gonna do the toilet inside and out. Okay, so now I still have 1/4 of my cloth clean. I'm going to use that to do the inside of the toilet because anytime any part of this cloth hits a toilet, it's only good for the inside after that. So that being said, I am not going to subject you to watching me clean another toilet. All right, so I've Corin cleaned one bathroom, regular cleaned the other bathroom. It didn't take me too long.
Just before leaving, I like to fold over the toilet paper and hang the towels neatly.
Well, thank you for joining me as I clean my rooms. I hope you learned something, maybe the towel method, maybe how much bleach you're supposed to use. Anyway, join me next time as we continue to tackle the journey of a white-collar housewife.